Hello friends, welcome to Allied Classes. If you are watching my video, please like and subscribe my channel. In previous video, we have seen what is endoplasmic reticulum, the structure of endoplasmic reticulum and the modifications of endoplasmic reticulum such as sarcoplasmic reticulum, T-tubules and myeloid bodies, as well as we have seen the components of endoplasmic reticulum such as cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Now in this topic we are going to see the types or the forms of endoplasmic reticulum and the common functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So let's begin. Types or forms of endoplasmic reticulum means ER. Now there were two forms or types of endoplasmic reticulum such as RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum and SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now first we are going to see the RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. So what is rough endoplasmic reticulum? When ribosomes are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, then it's become rough. Then so it is known as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Let us draw first the diagram of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can see the cisternal space. Empty space means the cisternal space. Here the folds are known as cisternae. Double bounded membrane. Here you can see ribosomes present on endoplasmic reticulum. So the surface of endoplasmic reticulum becomes rough and so known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. We will write here cisternal space. Here the folds are known as cisternae. And here the ribosomes are present. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of cisternae. Now we are going to see the points. This rough endoplasmic reticulum is present near the nucleus or the nuclear membrane. Present near nucleus or nuclear membrane. Second point, it is more stable. This rough endoplasmic reticulum is more stable. This endoplasmic reticulum, as you can see here, the cisternal space, cisternae means the folds. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of cisternaes. And you can see ribosomes are present. So we will write the point, ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are present near the nucleus or the nuclear membrane, more stable than the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, made up of cisternaes, and ribosomes are present. Now, the ribosomes are present, but ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum with the help of glycoprotein. So, we will write the point. Ribosomes are attached to ER, means endoplasmic reticulum, with the help of glycoprotein. Glycoprotein means what? Glycogen plus protein. Glycogen plus proteins, known as glycoproteins. Now, these glycoproteins are of two types, riboporin 1 and riboporin 2. So, that is not necessary. Now, we are going to see the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? So, we will write here the function. They are present in such cell with concern with the protein synthesis. Mean the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. Now, the second type or the second form of endoplasmic reticulum is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, we will write here SER, means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, first we will draw the structure of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, then we will discuss or write points about smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not made up of cisternae, but to understand we will draw here the endoplasmic reticulum first. Here you can see vesicles. These are vesicles and these are tubules. This is the smooth. This whole structure means vesicles plus tubules is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Where the ribosomes are absent, you can see the smooth surface here, means ribosomes are not present on this surface. Okay. So, this was the structure of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, we will write the points. This smooth endoplasmic reticulum is present near the cell membrane. As we have seen, rough endoplasmic present near the nuclear membrane or the nucleus. So, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum present near the cell membrane. Present near the cell membrane. Means at the peripheral position. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum is less stable than the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is less stable than rough endoplasmic reticulum. And this smooth endoplasmic reticulum is made up of vesicles and tubules, whereas rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of cisternae. made up of tubules and vesicles. Here ribosomes are not present, so we will write ribosomes are absent. Ribosomes are absent. So it's having a smooth surface. Now we will see the common functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Common functions of endoplasmic reticulum, which involves rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the first one we will see. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the synthesis of essential lipids such as phospholipids and cholesterols. Means synthesis of lipids such as phospholipids and cholesterol. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also responsible for the production and secretion of steroid hormones. Okay? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum responsible for production or secretion of steroid hormones. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also responsible for metabolism of carbohydrates. Metabolism of carbohydrates. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum store and release calcium ion. So it is important for the nervous system and muscular system. Store and release calcium ion which is important for nervous system as well as muscular system. The majority of function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is associated with protein synthesis, protein sorting as well as protein foldings. Protein synthesis, protein foldings and protein sorting. Rough endoplasmic reticulum plays important role for protein folding. RER plays important role in protein synthesis. Okay, now after protein foldings or synthesis of protein, protein folding takes place than protein sorting. It also acts as a cytoskeletal of the cell. Act as cytoskeletal of cell. It is also concerned with protein synthesis, lipoprotein synthesis, glycoprotein synthesis and glycogen synthesis. Concerned with protein synthesis, lipoprotein synthesis means lipids plus proteins, glycoprotein means glycogen plus protein, glycoprotein synthesis, etc. or just glycogen synthesis. It helps in the transport of substance, means act as a transmitter. It act as transmitter, transmit substance. It is helpful in the synthesis of plate, means pieces of endoplasmic reticulum. They are also helpful in the synthesis of lysosomes and a Golgi complex or the Golgi bodies. Synthesis of lysosomes or Golgi body, or it is also known as a Golgi complex. Lysosome and Golgi body is also a cell organelle. Lysosome is known as suicide bag. If the cell organelle is get damaged, at that time lysosome engulf own cell organelle is known as a suicide bag, and Golgi body is known as a traffic center of the cell. It is also responsible, means endoplasmic reticulum is also responsible for detoxification. Detoxification. What is meant by detoxification? It means removal of toxic substance from the cell. Removal of toxic substance from cell. And the last point is glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis. What is meant by glycogenolysis? Glycogenolysis means breakdown of glycogen into glucose to release energy. Breakdown of glycogen into glucose to release energy. So this was the common functions between, this was the common functions of endoplasmic reticulum and the types or the forms of endoplasmic reticulum. The types or the forms of endoplasmic reticulum is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is more stable than the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is less stable than the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes on the surface, so known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes on the surface, so having a rough surface, so known as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of cisternae, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is made up of tubules and vesicles. And this was the common functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So thank you friends for watching my video. Thanks.